Hey everyone! Welcome to another WordPress plugin tutorial on code advice. Are you ever afraid of bad guys breaking into your WordPress website? You know, those sneaky hackers? Well, guess what? There's this super cool WordPress plugin called WPS Hide Login that helps keep your website safe. It's like hiding a secret door so the bad guys can't find it. We believe it's super important to keep the bad guys out of your website, because if they can't find it, they can't get in, right? So stick around, and we'll show you how to put up this secret door and make sure your website stays safe. If you're finding value in our WordPress development and design tutorial adventures, please consider showing your support by liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us continue creating more content like this. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins and then click on Add New Plugin. Navigate to the search bar and in the search bar type WPS Hide Login and hit Enter. Look for the WPS Hide Login plugin in the plugin list, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to activate the plugin. After activation, your list of installed plugins will come up. Go to the WPS Hide Login plugin and click on Settings. Here, you can customize your login URL to something unique and secure. Congratulations! Your WordPress login URL is now hidden from potential hackers, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your login area. Be sure to note down your new login URL for future access. You can also update your login URL anytime in your WordPress settings. This completes the installation and setup of WPS Hide Login on your WordPress website. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next WordPress plugin tutorial video.